Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to customize and change eye comfort screen color temperature option in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first of all we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down a bit to display and brightness. Then we're looking for eye comfort and sleep menu. And here we have our options. So eye comfort is here. First of all we need to enable it. Now here is the screen temperature color. So we can change it quite a bit. We can make it warmer, more orange. We can have it in the middle, or we can pretty much not have it, as you can see here. Of course, we can tap the reset button to have our default options as well. I will turn it off. And that's all. Goodbye.